Hi guys, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you so much to all of viewers and subscribers for your continued support. Now today we are in the parish of Clarendon in a district called Sagunetti, and we're here to talk to a gentleman by the name of Mr. McLean, aka Duck. So he will share his story with us today, so stay tuned for that. And before we do so, please remember to like, share and subscribe and to hit that post notification bell so once we upload a new video you will be notified. And of course, big up to my husband behind the camera all the time. Without him, I don't know how we'd get to some of these places, so we just want to send him a special shout out today. All right, so let's get into the video. So guys, wow, we're going downhill today. It's not too far and the road is not too bad, but Mr. McLean is good for doing this little track, even though it's not that far, but it has a little hill. And when you see him, you'll see, you know, Mr. McLean don't move too fast because of his health condition. So to go up this hill, he does well. Oh wow. Hi Mr. McLean, good morning. How are you? Oh wow. So we're finally here. We find you, man. We find you. You're not too hard to find. The direction was clear. Mr. McLean, talk to us. Tell us what has been going on.
I'm Lincoln McLean.
Yes.
And at the present moment I have a health issue. And the only problem I have with the health issue is that sometimes I feel dizzy, so without the medication I can't really survive. So I have to get medication surplus.
You have to have enough medication to keep you going.
Yeah.
All right, so tell us what happened to you. Tell us about your illness, you know, from start to finish. Take us back.
Well, I have hypertension, but I didn't take it casual.
Yeah, you didn't take it seriously.
Didn't take it serious.
Yes.
So it affected my heart. So when I went to foreign, I have pneumonia. So I was admitted in the hospital and I fell in coma for about 2 weeks. And they operated on me after. They said that I have a heart issue, so they would have to bypass the valve. And they cut me in two.
Yeah.
And did what they did. So from that time, I am unable to assist myself properly.
Yeah.
And I am on low living, so I don't have any assistance.
And so that is why you'd have, you know, called us to, you know, assist you.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So what is it like, you know, on a day-to-day basis? What do you do? You know, you live alone. So what is...
In order to keep my place clean, I employ somebody, so I have to have money. And like washing my clothes, but I cook my food myself.
Okay, you're able to manage that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like if me cooking some food, me time it.
So you don't have to be going...
I don't tend to fall asleep because I can't stand up too long.
Yes, yes.
And I can't sit up too long because of my chest.
Okay, because I can see the incision in your chest as you... Yeah. Oh, wow.
And if I stand up too long, and if I don't take my medication and I stand up too long, I get dizzy. Like the entire place is spinning.
Oh, wow. So as it is, you have to get frequent medical attention?
Yeah, definitely.
Like what? Talk to us about that.
Like pressure tablet. And pressure tablet alone.
Okay, okay. So you're not on any therapy or nothing like that?
And every month I have to do the ECG. to check on if any problem arose.
Okay, okay. Okay, so is that costly?
Yeah, $15,000 a month.
Oh, wow. You have to pay $15,000 per month
Yeah.
each time you go to do the
Each time I
ECG?
go to, and sometime, like going to the hospital, I have to have like a charter taxi, carry me to and from.
So you have to pay transportation
Yeah,
cost
so it's roughly about $25,000
monthly.
monthly.
So this sort of money, it's your friends who you have to rely on
Yeah,
to?
it's my friend.
Okay. So sometimes is it a case where you don't have it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you do if you find yourself in a situation such as that?
Well, you mean, I will wait on my friend until
Oh,
I
you
get
wait.
it.
Oh, so you would have missed you would
Yeah,
miss the
an appointment.
appointment.
Yeah,
Oh, until you get the money, then you go. Oh, I
yeah.
see. Wow. So is there ever a time where you find yourself without food, Mr. McLean?
Sometime.
Yeah.
But what I do mostly is like balance myself. So that I don't run out of food.
Yeah.
So if if it come down to the integrity, I have like biscuit or snack.
And you'll have that.
Yeah,
Oh, so you may not have things necessarily to cook, but you have like
snack.
snacks.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So I try to balance myself.
Yeah. Oh, my. Yeah. So what type of food do you eat?
Well, I like ground provision.
Oh, okay.
I don't eat red meat.
So you do chicken
Yeah,
and fish and so.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Wow. So, Mr. McLean, what was life like before you took sick?
Well, life was hard and nice, but it took a turn for the worse.
Yeah. When you took sick.
Yeah, because when I was working, I have a lot of friends.
Yeah.
But since I am sick, I don't see hardly anybody.
Okay. You're
So
here
I'm alone.
alone.
Yeah,
Wow.
no family members, no friends. Only like my friends, them immediate friends.
So most days when you get up, you're alone.
Yeah, day and night.
Yeah.
I'm alone here. But I get so accustomed to it that it doesn't come nothing to me.
Yeah. Yeah. So you're not really expecting
No,
anybody.
no. If you come, I welcome you. If you don't come, no problem.
Okay. So how often you call the lady to wash for you?
Like whenever, like every 2 months.
Every 2 months?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because, I'm not doing anything to get my clothes dirty that much.
Right.
So like she can come 2 months.
So how much does it cost to pay, when she comes? How much do you pay her to?
To clean and wash and $5,000.
$5,000?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah. So life is difficult. It is a struggle.
Definitely.
Oh, wow.
Because so I'm not working and I'm not getting a pension. I have it difficult,
Yes.
very.
Yeah. Yeah. So anybody watching this video and they want to help you, they can reach out. And as you hear Mr. McLean, you hear him talk about his struggles, and he's saying that shelter is not really his problem because he does have shelter. His challenge is, the day-to-day activities, finding food, right?
Definitely.
And taking care of the medical bills. So anybody watching and you hear his story and you're in a position where you know that you can assist Mr. McLean, we're asking on his behalf to please do so. Anything, even if it's the actual food and not funds,
No problem.
I know, right, you will accept it, right? Okay, guys, so you hear his plea, so please reach out and see how best you are able to help Mr. McLean?
I was struggling, and I called my friend them, and them said they would get a work for me. So I went to foreign. Them send me money and arrange that I could go to foreign. So I went to foreign, and within 2 weeks I fell sick. And I fell in coma for about 2 weeks. So the doctor came to me and said, I am suffering from a heart problem due to the hypertension that I have. He said that I wasn't taking medication for the illness.
For the pressure?
Yeah.
Oh.
So it damaged my heart. So I have to do a surgery on my heart. But I didn't have any insurance. So a doctor came to me and gave me his card and said he would do the operation for me for free. I said, what?
Wow.
So I said, this must be God's works.
Yes, yes.
So he said to me, I must come by surgery. So when I went there, 50 people was ahead of me. But he asked me what I want to do. So I said, if I take the operation, I'm dead. And if I don't take it, I will die.
Okay.
So he did it.
Okay, okay.
So when I was up there, I called one of my cousins and tell him that I am sick, so I need some accommodation. So he said I can stay for 2 weeks.
That's over there,
Yeah.
overseas.
So I said, no, I'm gonna call my friend. So when I call my friend said, what type of question is that? He said, I can stay as long as I want.
Oh, wow. That's your
So
friend.
that must be the work of God.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes, I agree with you.
So from I did the operation and trying to recuperate, I couldn't walk until I gradually began to walk, help myself, and sustain.
And this time now you're still overseas.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So I tell my friend that I stayed at my friend's house for 1.5 years.
Wow.
And I said to him that I need to go home
Yes.
because my health wasn't
It wasn't
coping with the temperature over there.
Okay, okay.
So I came out here and I recuperated from that. Yeah,
And so how long ago was that? When did this happen?
2018,
2018. And since you came back, you have been living all
alone.
by yourself.
No, I've been living alone from longer time.
Oh, even before you went overseas. Okay.
Because I don't know what.
Yeah. You're a loner.
Yeah, cowboy.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. But so, based on what you explained to us, you would have improved a lot.
Yeah, I
because-
improve, but things cannot deteriorate now
Yeah.
because the dizziness take me back
Oh.
and I can't stand up too long and I can't sit up too long and I can't walk too long because I have short breath.
You get tired easily.
Yeah.
So what about for the medication for your pressure? How do you get that?
By the pharmacy.
And you have to pay for it.
Yeah, I have to go to the doctor and the doctor recommend have the
Take time, Mr. McLean.
have the receipt. No, man, we can't. You know, see me have the receipt.
Oh, okay.
See,
Oh.
prescription.
Oh, this is the prescription. So like how much it costs you when you have to pay for the medication for the pressure?
With the card, It cost me like about $2,000.
Okay. Okay, and how often do you go?
Like you get a surplus. We can surplus for the week, for the month.
Yes.
Yeah.
Also.
That is why it costs so much.
Oh, okay.
So without the card, it would cost like about $5,000.
Okay, so that card is a
Health card.
oh, an NHF card?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And like I have to do regular ECG, which costs $15,000 a monthly.
Yes. That's a lot
So
of money.
each time I have to go, I have to have $15,000
to go and
to
do
go and do it.
Yes. Oh wow. And as you explained to us before, there are times when you miss it because you miss your appointment for the ECG.
Because I don't have any like family member assisting me. Because if I call my friend today and tell him a problem, and he said that next week he get paid, I have to wait until he get paid.
Yes, you don't have no choice.
Yeah, don't have a choice.
Oh wow. So the struggle continues for you.
Definitely. But I would say that is a cushion because I have my accommodation. So the only thing I need is like money to pay the bills and buy food.
Yes.
So I don't have no whole problem.
Yes. So it's not to say, like you said before, you're okay with your accommodation, your shelter is okay.
Yeah.
Just food and the medication. Yeah.
And bills.
And bills. Yeah. And that's for the washing and the light bill and those
laundry
things.
And
the
cleaning.
cutting of the yard.
And landscaping.
Yeah. Oh wow. Mr. McLean, thank you so much for sharing with us.
You're welcome.
Thank you. We do appreciate it. And we are praying that, persons watching will see and hear your plea and they will reach out and assist.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, guys. So until we meet again, thank you for making it a little everything Jamaican. Stay safe. Blessed love. Bye-bye.